Do you wake up in the morning and can't be bothered to do anything? Can't be bothered to get changed? Can't be bothered to brush your hair? Can't even bother to get out of bed? Sometimes you need to force yourself to get up and go out. And then perhaps you do a little bit of exercise and you feel much better. Can you relate? Have you ever felt this way? Do you struggle with feeling sluggish? So how can we reduce that sluggish feeling? Get moving. I know it can be difficult, but just think of something short, even if it's just for walking up and down your stairs or a little walk around the block. Make it small, make it achievable. Maybe even ring a friend and say, let's do this together. Perhaps you can do an exercise class together. Did you know there's lots of exercises that don't require equipment or machines, and that can be found online? And all you need is your body and a little bit of confidence. And if you haven't done much exercise before, perhaps you would like to start with Pilates or yoga, because these are low impact exercises. So they're not as strenuous as high impact exercise, meaning you don't jump. So it's very good for your knees and backs as well. So if you're interested in Pilates or yoga, I do offer classes in Keynsham and online. So do comment below and I can send you some details. And if you just want a short video that you can practice, you can check out my videos or just comment below if you can't find them and I can put them in the comments for you. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you can move just for a minute. Just for a minute, can you do it? Let me know. This is Sandhya signing out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.